What is up, Telescopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing the March BoxyCharm base box. And if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly subscription box. There's levels to it, but my sister and I, we share the base box, which is about $25 a month. I think it ends up being closer to like $27 with like tax, and it is shipped to you once a month with 5 full-size products. I believe it's valued at about $125, but I'm not exactly sure about that. I'll put the exact value of my box up on the screen later in the video. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is the BoxyCharm card for this month, and the theme is lucky. So you can see the 4-leaf clovers, the like die, the coins, like the chips, and you know, I don't know what this, I think those are horseshoes. I don't know what those circle things are supposed to be. They kind of look like Captain Crunch. But yeah, the theme is lucky, and the variation that I have is another one of those super long numbers, well, number letter combinations, because it's C2103039-BA. They used to just be numbers, but for the past few months they've been these like weird letter number combinations like this one. Okay, the first product in the box is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. It says this palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself, and the original price is $38, which is pretty pricey. This is what the packaging of the palette looks like, and I have to say I do love this packaging. It is gorgeous. This is what it looks like up close without being, you know, covered in that plastic. And this is what the palette looks like. Very pretty. There's 8 shades, couple shimmers, and I really like that purple too. Although I do like this palette, and especially the packaging, I have not heard the best things about Lime Crime. I've actually stayed away from Lime Crime because I've heard bad things about them. I've heard they've had some problems with cultural appropriation, and I've also heard that they've had some issues with toxic ingredients. So I don't know, I haven't really looked into it too much. I just heard that, you know, a few times, and I was like, all right, well, I'm not gonna even purchase anything from this brand. But I will look into it before I put this video up and try to post a little, maybe a clip or something of what I find on the screen somewhere, or I'll even clip it in on its own so you guys can really see what it's saying and what's possibly been going on with Lime Crime. The second product in the box is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. This creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. And the original price for this one is $26. So I only have the packaging here because, as you guys can see, I'm doing this review very, very late. So my sister has already been using this, so I just brought the packaging just to show you guys. And this is what it looks like. It says Damn Girl 24-hour mascara for shamelessly thick and curled lashes. It says 90% said they saw full-on volume, 100% said they saw intense black lashes, 99% said they saw long-wearing results, and 97% said they saw long-lasting curl. The whipped melting waxes that the card was talking about do sound very interesting, and I asked my sister how she felt about this mascara so far. She said she liked it. It's like just decent to her though. She gave it a 7 out of 10. I haven't tried it at all, so I can't say whether or not I feel the same way, but 7 out of 10 is not a great rating for a mascara, especially one that costs $26. The next product in the box is the Frank Body Glow Mask. This moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and gives skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It is perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty free, and only takes 5 minutes to work, and its original price is $21.95. Okay, this is the product. This is how the packaging looks. And I have tried a coffee scrub from Frank Body, and I did really like how it made my skin feel. So I would be willing to try this glow mask out for sure. Let me know if you guys would like to see a Masknificent video. I really haven't done one of those in so long. And I have one coming soon with that vitamin C mask that I got in the last BoxyCharm. But I am definitely ready to try this one too. Especially, I don't think I've ever tried a mask that was called a glow mask.
Okay.
And this mask says that it's caffeinated, which I really like. I feel like that's going to wake my skin up. And right now, one of the oils that I use on my face is made with coffee extract. And I'm loving that oil, so I feel like my face is going to really like this too, since it's caffeinated. The fourth product in the box is the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer. The Seamless Eye Primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. That's all it says on the card, a very short description. I like that, short and straight to the point. It's saying that it's going to be crease-free and vibrant, and the original price is $24. This is what the packaging looks like, and I've heard really great things about Viseart from my girl Jackie Naturals. I'll be sure to link one of her Viseart eye looks down below in the description. Make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already seen it. Let her know that Curly Tails sent you, and also make sure that you guys subscribe. And this is what the actual product looks like. Very sleek, minimalistic packaging. And I've tried a couple eye primers so far. I was using the Pretty Vulgar one. I thought that one was just okay. And then I got the Urban Decay one on sale at Ulta, and I like that one a lot. So I guess I'll try to compare this one to that one. And lastly, we have the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. It says, get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. And the original price is $30. So I'm not really interested in this cloth. I don't know if my sister is. She uses a bit more makeup than I do. I only really do, the eye looks when I come on the channel and do them for you guys. And I did one on my birthday, but other than that, I don't really wear makeup. So she might try this out, and if she does, I'll definitely let you guys know what she thinks. The silver sounds very interesting because it did say it's for anti-aging and it's antibacterial, so that's obviously amazing. If she tries it, I'll definitely let you know. And if she doesn't want to try it, I will for sure put it in a giveaway. My favorite product in this box was probably the Frank Body Glow Mask. And then my second favorite is going to be that Viseart Eye Primer. I need a good primer that's not going to be creasing all over the place, and it's going to keep my eye looks popping when I do them. Not that I do them like super often. I'm acting like I do them every day, but when I do them, I want them to pop, and I hope that this can do that, especially because it said it was like $22 or something like that. All right, that's the end of the unboxing. I'm sorry it's coming so late in the month. I've just been very busy this month. I have some really big news that I want to share with you guys right now, and is that I just started cosmetology school. And I am going to get my license so that I can do natural hair, full time, not just on YouTube, not just on my mom and my cousin and my sister sometimes, just, on anyone, in my area. And I just am so excited to learn all that I can. I don't know how much I'm going to be learning, about curly, coily, kinky hair in cosmetology school, but I'm going to learn what I can, and then I will be taking, classes to learn even more about cutting and, coloring textured hair. I am so excited, and I'm going to be sharing more of my journey with you guys in some upcoming videos, so please stay on the lookout for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's see.